DJM TV.
We have not received any money from the federal government, says Delta State. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. A very big welcome to DJM TV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news happening in Nigeria and all over the world. Thank you so much for clicking on our video and thank you for deciding to stay with us. If this is the first time you've seen any of our videos, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you're one of the first persons to know whenever we drop any new video. Now straight up to the main news. We did bring you news some time ago that the 4.2 million pounds which is in the custody of the UK government as a result of the money that was confiscated from the former governor of Delta State, Chief James Ibori, would be returned to Nigeria, and the federal government have decided that the money will be given to Delta State against the first decision that was taken to use the money in the construction of the second Niger Bridge, the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway, and the Abuja-Kaduna Expressway. And following the appeal of Chief James Ibori to the UK government to release the money to him and not to the country, the federal government sent a letter to the Urhobo Progress Union asking them to please plead with James Ibori to withdraw the case he has written to the UK government so that the money can be sent back to Nigeria. The UPU said they would only do that on the condition that the money will be given back to Delta State as against what the federal government had decided as at that time. Well, finally the 4.2 million pounds has been returned to Nigeria, and in a meeting, the Accountant General of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Ahmed Idris, said before the House of Representatives and the ad hoc committee on assessment and status of all recovered loot, movable and immovable assets from 2002 to 2020 that the money 4.2 million pounds has been paid to Nigeria and that it has been given to Delta State. In his words, he said, "I know there was a time recovery was made on behalf of Plateau State. There was one for Bayelsa, there was one for different states, even Delta State. Such recoveries goes specifically to those states." Honorable Adejoro Adogun asked him specifically about the recent loot that was recovered from the United Kingdom. Talking about the 4.2 million pounds recovered from the money that James Ibori allegedly took and saved in the United Kingdom. And Ahmed Idris responded that the money has been paid to the state, stating that any recovery arising from looted funds from a particular state goes to the state because the state governors would not allow this type of recovery to fly. The Accountant General says some recoveries are for specific state government. So what the federal government is doing is whatever money is recovered from anywhere, as long as it came from a particular state, the federal government decided to return the money back to the state for the state's development. So Idris Ahmed said before a committee on the 25th of May 2021 that the 4.2 million pounds has been paid to the state, that is Delta State. Honorable Adeogun asked him about this looted fund because he said, contrary to popular belief or contrary to the information from media or the public domain, that the money was used for another project and then the money was not given back to Delta State. But Ahmed Idris said that the money has been paid to Delta State. He said the governors will not allow this kind of issue pass by you because as a matter of fact, the governors are looking for places to take loans from. I will not allow this kind of 4.2 million pounds fly by. But Delta State Chief Press Secretary Mr. Olisefe Ajaka has said that the £4.2 million has not been received by the Delta State, contrary to what the Accountant General of the Federation, Ahmed Idris, had said. Abubakar Malami, who is the Minister of Justice, confirmed that the £4.2 million has been received by Nigeria, and now Ahmed Idris is saying that the money has been paid to Delta State. The Accountant General of Delta State, Joy Enwa, said that the state has not received any alert from the federal government. As a matter of fact, she said she knows the particular amount that the particular account that the money will be paid to, and that account has not been credited by the federal government. So whatever Ahmed Idris, the Accountant General of the Federation, is saying, it's what we will simply call audio money. Ahmed Idris is saying they've paid the money. Accountant General of Delta State is saying the money has not been received. Well, we hope that sooner or later Delta State, let's believe that the money has been paid, as Ahmed Idris has said, and it is network that is making the credit alert not drop on the phones of the Accountant General of the Delta State. So let's take him for his word. But Delta State is saying they have not seen the money and are hoping that the money will be paid to the state, so that she'll be able to use the money to carry out specific projects in the state. Although the Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami, is saying that the money would be used for other projects, still standing on that ground, the Delta State government is hoping to use the money to complete some projects in the state. Now, the media AD to the president, Loretta Onoche, who is also from Delta State, has confirmed that the money has not been paid to Delta State. She said the money, as a matter of fact, will not be paid. The money will be used to do some projects in the country to benefit everybody. But Accountant General of the Federation, Ahmed Idris, said in that meeting with the House of Representatives ad hoc committee on recovered loot, said that this kind of monies, the state government will not allow it fly. That's his word. They will not allow this kind of money fly. As a matter of fact, they will drag the federal government to court over such amount of money, because as it is now, every state is looking for money to fund their budget, and the federal government say there's no money, and then suddenly £4.2 million is being returned and is not given to the state. He said the state government will not take it lightly with the federal government. Well, so you have it, guys. There are two opinions. Ahmed Idris is saying that the money has been paid to Delta State, while the Delta State Accountant General is saying that the money has not been paid to the state. So who do we believe? What's your opinion on this issue? Drop your comment in the comment section. Do not forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much for staying with us to the end of this video. We hope you got the information right. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you'll be one of the first persons to receive a notification whenever we drop any new video. Do not forget to also follow us on all our social media platforms, on Facebook, on Twitter, and on Instagram at DJM TV, and also check out our website at www.djmtv.news. This is where we'll come to the end of this edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. Till I come your way again with another edition, I remain your host, Lawuru Favor, reporting for DJM TV News.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV.